Wow. Look how beautiful this is. Where are we, Gorda?
Triple Falls, North Carolina.
Woo. Look at that. So gorgeous. This is the life. I feel so grateful. Súper bendecida por estar aquí. Definitivamente. Bye. I really did enjoy these waterfalls. I can't believe we've never gone here before. It was a 10-hour ride, and I would definitely do it again just to see this beauty.
Look at the butterfly.
We spent the entire day here. There's like different levels of waterfalls that you can see. And tomorrow I'm going to post a video of the bigger waterfall that I went to by myself. But everybody, give some love to my girlfriend. Look how confident she is. You know, like most women her size, they're just like embarrassed of themselves. And she's so confident. That's something that I've always loved. So show some love, you know. Love you guys. Okay, bye. Don't forget, guys, I am your preferred realtor. Give me a call, 352-777-6961. Okay, love you. Bye.